I've got a solution for healthcare insurance's inappropriate claim denial problem, where they delay paying for legitimate claims or maybe don't pay them at all. The brunt of dealing with that lands on us, the insured commoners, who are already busy working to earn our keep and to keep our families alive. What is there for insurance companies to lose by denying our claims? Nothing. This is a single-sided bet. Heads they win, tails you lose. The way we fix this is to ensure that they have skin in this game. Statutory time and trouble reimbursement. If your claim is rejected and you fight it and it gets overturned, now they owe you a stipend to cover the time and trouble they imposed on you. And in response to this, insurance companies are going to claim, "It's gonna be so terrible. It'll cost us so much money. It's gonna make us raise our rates." Oh. Ah, bullshit. We've all heard the Wall Street propaganda.
Well, the market just responds to incentives and market pressures.
Exactly. A mandatory stipend paid out when a denied claim is overturned incentivizes not denying valid claims. Claim processing has gotten worse for the last 20 years.
There's nothing we can do about that.
Always in their favor.
We didn't make it that way.
But the right incentive, one that ensures a cost for leaving it broken, will ensure it gets fixed in a hurry.
The economy is like a force of nature.
Yeah, thanks, Wall Street guy.
Nobody can control the economy.
Then what the frig is your job, you inhumane asshole? Economy seems to be serving you pretty well. Funny that. Time and trouble reimbursement won't fix everything. If you get cancer trying to live on the short-term disability while paying out copay after copay, that problem's going to remain and you're still going to go broke. But we can fix the one. Given the cross-party frustration that came out after the United Health CEO shooting, a lot of us agree that this is a problem. So let's do something about it. Insurance regulation is done on a state-by-state basis, so write your state legislators to express your support for time and trouble reimbursement. I'll leave a link in the description to a text version of this essay that goes into a little more detail, uses more formal language, and from which you are welcome to crib, plagiarize, or even just print it out right on it. I think we need something like this for our state. Sign it and mail it. 3 things we need to do to win. 1, do the goddamn work. Hope ain't gonna cut it. You gotta write a letter and send it. Do it now before you forget. 2, share, like, subscribe, spread the word, talk with others, encourage them to get involved or at least send a letter. If we start to get traction, these greedy SOBs are going to hire some fancy-suited lobbyists to write their own letters and buy our representatives expensive lunches. We common folk got to make our voices heard loud enough to overcome that. 3, we got to work together and don't let them divide us. Some talking head is going to start up about the slippery road to socialism, how trans people are going to come mow your lawn, or the Christians are coming to take your rights. All of it's to get us fighting with each other, because if they lead us into fighting with each other, they win. Keep our eyes on the prize. I don't know you, we may never be friends, but we do need to be allies in this fight against them and their greed. Winning benefits you and me both. Stick together for the sake of winning this fight against the greedy rich who are bleeding us both dry.